So there are three factors which affect the rate of dissolution or the rate of solubility. One is the size of the solute particles. The smaller the size, the greater is total solubility, and therefore so if you crush your sugar, make it smaller, then it will be easier. So the solubility will increase. Stirring, if you increase the stirring, that would also increase the rate of solubility because there's more contact. And then the third is you increase the temperature. Most of the solids usually increase with rise in temperature, but some also decrease. Gases decrease with rise in temperature, but solids increase. Most of them. Actually, what happens is some are like if you notice the sodium nitrate, but like calcium sulfate is reducing. Most of them increase, but some decrease. Like this is increasing sodium nitrate, potassium bromide, chloride, sodium. The increase in sodium chloride is not much. Potassium sulfate is, but calcium sulfate is decreasing. Only a few will generally decrease. Then the other thing you have to understand is how to find the solubility. First, note, take a evaporating dish, let it be M. Then put a saturated solution. First, you saturate it, put it. It will be M1. Now heat it and remove the water. You got M2. And then you, this will give you the mass of the, this will give you the mass of the water gone. The, so because you have first, you are first taking a solution, all right? You take a solution and you got, you, this is the, this, this is a dish. So he's taking a dish. So take a dish, it's got mass M. Then put a solution in it and it will have total mass will now M1. So what is the mass of the solution? This will be M1 minus M. Now you heat it. You will be, all the water will go away. So you will, now you heat it and again measure. So you will have only this water has gone away, only the solute. So you will now with this is M2. So now the solute would be M2 minus M. So now we got the mass of the solution and the solute. Then what you do is, then mass of the solvent you have to find, because this, there are two things now. First is we have got the solution, we have got the solute. This is the solution, this thing, the saturated solution. Then solute you subtract, you'll get the solvent. So then you can divide to get the solubility if you have to M over. But this is with respect to the solvent. Sometimes they also do it with respect to the solution, don't they? The mass to mass ratio is also done with respect to the solution. So I don't know why he's finding with respect to the, you can just do M2 minus M over this will, the M by M ratio will be, the weight by weight ratio will be M1 minus M over M2 minus. So the solute over the solution. If you do it in terms of solvent, it will be this, but that's they have not taught you. So forget about this. That's how you do it.